Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pam. I'm from Pamela's Creations, and I'm here to do hashtag Tassel Tuesday. Tassel Tuesday is started by Creating with Jovi. It's an open collaboration that you can jump in and you can jump out. And if you only want to do it once a month on a Tuesday, that's okay. You could just do it whenever. I'll be sure to link Jovi's channel down below, and she will have everybody in the description box that's participating in Tassel Tuesday. And go check them out. There's a bunch of talented people. I didn't think I was going to do Tassel Tuesday. It's been a pretty hectic couple weeks, but I saw some ribbon, a little bit of ribbon sitting in a bag, and I thought, what the heck, I'm gonna get my little pieces of scrap ribbon out and get that bag taken care of. And I did, and the bag is finally gone, so that's big accomplishment for me. So okay, I'll show you what I made. So I just took some ribbon clamps and took my ribbon, and the ribbon clamps are here, and I put my charms. One's a lipstick and the other one's a flower pearl, and I just hung some beads here on a eye pin with a lobster clasp. I hooked it all together. So there's one. Here is two. All the sparkly ribbon. I have a bow charm, a chain, and they're like a lollipop. There's that. And then next thing I have is this one. It has the pink castle hooked to it. Castle with the ribbon clamp. And the lobster clasp. And they're all on chains. This one I made a little bit longer because I had some left. So proud I got rid of that bag. It's little scraps that I had sitting there, and it's like I was looking at it and it was bugging me. It's like I gotta get rid of that bag. But I still have tons more ribbon to get rid of and deal with. But anyways, here is a hair dryer, a star on this long charm here. They keep turning around on me. So, and then the star and the beads. Next one, this one's my favorite. And I thought I like bright, cheery colors. So there's the beads, there is the ribbon, and I made them, I didn't cut them all even, but that's okay. And then I have Alice in Wonderland charm with a flower connected to it. So I kind of made them uneven, but I kind of like it that way. So there's the flower and the charm. So I'm going to try and get pictures of these for you at the end so you can still see some still shots of them. Hopefully you will be able to do that. And let me know in the comments down below what you think of my tassels. They're all on eye pins, so something a little different. And I should have still shots at the end for you so you can see it a little bit better, because I am not a fan of the lighting in here. So there we go. Oh, this was turned around. There we go. So there we go. Those are my tassels for Tassel Tuesday, and I will have still shots for you guys at the end. Thank you for watching my video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell also so you can see more of my videos. All right, everyone, take care, stay safe, and God bless. And please check out Joey's channel. Bye, everyone.